Saving money while paying off debt can be challenging, but with a solid plan, it's achievable. Here are some steps to help you balance both. So, number one, create a budget. Track your income and expenses. List all sources of income and monthly expenses. This helps you see where your money goes. Allocate funds. Set aside a specific amount for debt repayment, savings, and essential expenses. Number two, prioritize debt repayment. All right, so list your debts. Write down all your debts, including the amount owed and interest rates. Now, choose a repayment strategy. The Snowball Method. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Avalanche Method. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first to save on interest. Number three, cut unnecessary expenses. You have no idea how much goes in here if you really look at it. Identify non-essentials. Look for areas where you can reduce spending, such as dining out or subscriptions. Create a savings goal. Aim to save a small amount each month, even if it's just $20. Number four, automate payments. All right? Set up automatic transfers. Automate savings contributions and debt payments to ensure they happen regularly. Pay more than the minimum. Whenever possible, pay more than the minimum on your debt to reduce them faster. All right? Number five, increase your income. So basically, find side gigs. Consider part-time jobs or freelance work to boost your income. I used to put ads on anything, and people used to call me, and I used to figure it out later. You know what I mean? Sell unused items. Declutter and sell items you no longer need to generate extra cash. Build an emergency fund. Start small. Aim for a small emergency fund like $500 to avoid relying on credit for unexpected expenses. Save consistently. Even small contributions can add up over time. Number seven, monitor your progress. Review regularly. Check your budget and debt repayment plan monthly. Adjust as needed to stay on track. Also, you got to celebrate your milestones. Acknowledge your progress to stay motivated. Now, by following these steps, you can effectively save money while managing and paying off debt, leading to more secure financial future. All right? Ciao.